Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XDC from Exmo to Kucoin in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Exmo and want to move it to Kucoin for better trading options or diversification, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember that crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Kucoin. You'll need XDC in your Exmo wallet and the exact wallet address from Kucoin. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Find your XDC balance, that's what we're working with. Step 2. Initiate a withdrawal. Click on the withdraw option next to your XDC balance. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Step 3. Get your Kucoin wallet address. Open your Kucoin account, go to the Assets or Wallet page, and copy the XDC deposit address. It's crucial to use the correct network. For XDC, it's usually the XDC network, so verify that. Step 4. Paste the Kucoin address into the withdrawal form on Exmo. Double-check the address to prevent any errors. One wrong character could mean lost funds forever. Add any required tags or memos if Kucoin specifies them, then confirm the transaction. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After you submit, Exmo will process the withdrawal, and it might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Kucoin and check your wallet to see if the XDC has arrived. A quick tip. Always use the official apps or websites, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. Transferring XDC from Exmo to Kucoin is easier than you think. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.